elsewhere as the rot stops for today. Let the rot stop just for one day. Only good red eyes, red suits and faces will radiate, and the cold will hide its face. Now the cold has turned away. We can be best friends with the people we hate, 'cause we've all got blood, and it's warmer than you'd think. Yeah, it's warm and it is thick. We all breathe out clouds, we're built to give at least once each year, and that's better than never, I guess. And life might never get better than this. We're the perfect excuse for our natures to change and wear shiny clothes. Oh, it's Christmas, so press pause on the remote. So we'll stop, 'cause the wine on our breath puts the love in our tongues to forget the names. I called you on Christmas Eve, in fact forget the entire year. Don't reflect, just pretend, and you won't feel scared, you won't feel a thing, 'cause it's all been tucked away. And once you're tucked in bed, you'll hold on to the day for the last few seconds. Your cradled face is protected from the wind. I'll protect you, I promise I will. And the rest of our lives will be just like Christmas with fewer toys. You're a good girl, I'm a good boy, so I thought. Were it not for the tick of the clock and the spin of the earth in space, we could always be this way. And as we sleep at the fall of